Spratz, and I'm in town again today to give you something very useful for guitarists. I mean, the guitarist is like a soldier who always carries his gun anywhere he walks. You wouldn't know where an enemy will approach. You wouldn't know when you come across a gig or a band playing. So as a good guitarist, always carry some licks with you. There should be some pocket licks for you all the time. This is very true. So there are certain scales, licks, arpeggios, you have to get them ready here. So when you meet and you chance on any progression, you pour them out. For instance, I know my pentatonic scale. Do, la, so, mi, re, do. La, so, mi, re, do, la. So do, la, so, mi, re, do. La, so, mi, re, do, la. So I should get some licks from this. Do, la, so, mi, re, do, la, do. This is an already prepared lick. So because he lives, there I go. Or I know this lick, because he lives. So do, re, mi, so do. Because he lives, I can face tomorrow. I can face tomorrow. That on the far, so I play 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I know this lick, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and I already know them. So because he lives, I can face tomorrow. Because he lives. Some blues. I already know it, so now it works on 1. Because he lives. Then the reverse. All fear is gone. And on G, I can do whatever I did on F here. Use these licks instantly. Hey, in case you haven't subscribed to my channel, this is the best opportunity to do it. I have beautiful lessons here. I have taught many of these here. So if you decide to go through some of my lessons here, you are going to get some beautiful stuff. I mean, I'm going to add many interesting licks and chops to all what you already have. Alright, in case you haven't subscribed to my channel, do recommend my page to others. Don't forget to leave your comments. Alright, and I'm going to demonstrate this on a backing track for you. In case you are looking for further studies, hey, I do online teachings. I teach online. It doesn't matter where you are. It is possible. So pick the numbers on the screen and let's do it. Give me a call and we will do it and you will be happy. In case you don't see my fingers, hey, watch it on the neck diagram. Alright, so let me give you a practical example of what I'm saying. Listen to this. One more time. I can add and add and add. Listen to this. This is not for you. I just want to tease you a little. Want to learn all this? Pick the numbers on the screen and let's do it. Because he lives, I can face tomorrow. Because he lives, Life is worth living just cause he lives. Blues on acoustic, can you imagine? Guitar is distinct. See you again and soon.